Hey guys, I have an unboxing. I got a Therabox, and I don't know what's in it yet, but it smells so good and it's pretty. It came in like this plastic wrap, but it says self-care is giving the world the best of you instead of what's left of you. Guys, look at it. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I totally want to get into it because this box is smelling so good. So let's see. Therabox, ingredients to happiness. And then you have treat yourself. Guys, look at all that. How fun is that? Okay, it says snap a photo with your Therabox. We'll do that. Tag us on Instagram at mytherabox. Number 3, win a free box. One winner announced on Instagram monthly. More.self.love with a heart. mytherabox.com. You can do info at mytherabox. See right there? At mytherabox.com and the blog.mytherabox.com. Facebook.com/Therabox and it's Instagram.com mytherabox. So let's see. There's a little booklet. I love this. Okay. Oh, guys, there's all of the socials if you want to screenshot it. So we've got all kinds of things. Hello, delightful. There are, let's talk freebies and bonuses. Get a bonus in your next box. So there's all kinds of things. How to win a free Therabox, get a free box when you refer friends. Okay, let's start opening because that's what we want to do. Okay, I wish you every happiness. There's a little sticker on it. Oh, and there's like, guys, so this is what it looks like. It's packaged beautifully. Guys, look at that. And it smells amazeballs. So Spongel. What's a Spongel, guys? What is a Spongel? I want to know. Spongel. Let's open it up. Body wash infused buffer. What? Multi-use benefits. It's a body wash and buffer beauty all-in-one treatment. Is this the thing that smells so freaking amazing, guys? It smells so good. So it's from spongel.com. There is a code in here for 30% off your first purchase. Oh my gosh. All right. So what it says to do is wash away your troubles with some bubbles and a delicate smelling body buffer. Nestle in a delightful bath experience. So there's all of this info. So it's a body wash infused buffer. And I believe the scent is Autumn Bloom. And guys, I'm telling you, it is amazing. I'm literally leaving it on my bathroom counter for right now. Gosh, look at how wrinkly I am. Because the smell is fragrancing half of this house. Okay. Guys, there are chunky bed socks in here. I've got chunky bed socks. Let me see. Where is the info on these? Oh my gosh. So they're from BOODY, Booty Lounge, chunky bed socks. Why am I this excited? I don't know. They are $17.95. By the way, that body buffer was $18 value, and these are $17.95. They're crafted to be the perfect companion for cool and cozy days, which is today. It's not even 70. Made with soft and sustainable bamboo viscose. Each pair delights both your feet and Mother Earth. Oh my gosh. So I have blue and they're variegated. And since I am a blue girl, y'all, they're so soft and cozy and they smell like my body buffer and perfect for autumn. Okay, what's next? What is next? Nothing Fancy Supply Company beeswax food wrap, reusable food storage. Guys, look at that is so cool. Hold on. I'm getting information. Normally, or let's see, it's $28. Comfortable food season fridges will be packed with yummy leftover, and these beeswax wraps are a sustainable way to preserve the flavor and freshness of the season's best delights. Cool, guys. These are so cool. Look, there is, like a hive print on it, which I think is so cute. So they're reusable. How cool is that? Okay, we have that. Next, ooh, Happy Lips lip balm and mirror. Oh guys, I have such a thing for lip balm, so this is a good thing. It is a $9.99 product. Your fave self-care essential just got a nifty makeover. As a phone accessory. What? Snaps onto pop sockets, phones, laptops, and more. I cannot even. I can pop it right on my iPad that I live with every second, or my phone. Lip balm. Oh, and it's cotton candy scent. I'm trying to figure out how to open it without destroying packaging, and I'm destroying packaging because that's how it's gonna go. But if it's cotton candy, it's probably so good. Hold on. We're getting there. Okay. This is so cute. See, it has a little sticker, guys. Literally, this is hilarious. So you have your little sticker, and then this pops into it like that. Oh my word. It's clever. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. And look, there's a little mirror. So, oh, there I am. So if you need to just do a little zhuzh, you are good to go. That is awesome. Guys, that's fun. What's next? I don't know if I'm going to pronounce it right. I have a Nuria Hydrating Replenishing Biocellulose Sheet Mask, and this is $6. And it's Hydrate Replenishing mask with Rose Bay Willow Herb native to Britain. Single-use mask. Guys, and it's like weighty enough, so you know you have a lot of nice product in there. Awesome. Oh, there's something liquidy. What is the liquidy thing? Ooh, a pumpkin seed serum, and it's from Dermadeli. It is a $35 product. Cold spells can leave skin dry and thirsty, but the delightful benefits of pumpkin bottled up in Dermadeli's organic pumpkin seed, signature product will surely quench its need for hydration. So it's pumpkin-y. Let's see. Does not smell like pumpkin. It is, guys, let me see. Oh, that's nice, guys. So I just put it on my hand. It's already partially in there, but it's not like, it's soaking right in. It is not just laying on your skin. Look at that. It's gone. And it's massively hydrating, and it's a beautiful product. So it seeps moisture and nutrients into the skin. Consider this a super food for skin hydration, as every drop is bestowed with nourishing protective properties. Guys, that's awesome. $35 product? Rather awesome. Then, oh, my Lanta. This is freaking fun. There is a chai latte instant mix in here. It's a $15 mix from Vadam. It's chai latte. And let's see. Our chai tea latte feels like a hug in a mug. A strong and spicy blend of classic masala chai is a delightful treat on a cozy, slow day at home. You guys, it's lightly sweetened. Just add water. Original chai with black tea and whole milk. Plus MCT oil. How awesome is that? Keto, paleo, 12 plus servings. How fun is that? You can pop on your little cozy socks. You can zhuzh up your lips, have a little tea latte, and be moisturized with your pumpkin oil. This is living. And then the last thing that is in here, Unplugged, a 7-day workbook to reset your relationship with screens. Let me see what this is. I have to find it. Happy Lips, Cellulose Sheet Mask. So, Unplugged. Oh, it's number 8. It's on the next page. It's on the next page, people. So, this is a little notebook. Let me open it up. It's a 7-day workbook to reset your relationship with screens. And that's one of the things that's so amazing about Therabox is there's thought thought-provoking things I like to do, products in them. And, it's like a treat yourself, but in the best way possible. Socks made with bamboo and pumpkin oil and all the good things. Anywho, I'm going to have all the links down below that you need for everything. I will put in my profile a link to this product. All the other stuff you need to know, guys, you can always reach out to me on socials, all that kind of stuff. But guys, this is my Therabox, and I love it. I feel spoiled and happy and good to go. This month's box value is, guys, over $141. That is amazing. All right, guys, this is what I have going on. I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Thanks so much for sticking with me. Bye, guys.